I'm recording.
Huh?
Getting a video of you rescuing a snake. Gotta really hope it's not venomous.
I don't believe it.
This snake is trapped in this old bird netting that somebody used on our property before we bought it. Thought it was just hanging out in there, but then we realized it couldn't get out. It's all tangled up in it.
Some would say it's just a snake, but I feel responsible because we haven't thrown this stuff away yet.
Yeah. Ah, dang, man, that stuff is all wrecked.
Yeah, he is very slow. But I think he knows I'm trying to rescue him. He's not venomous. He's definitely a constrictor. Constrictors aren't venomous.
You see his head yet?
Nope. He's a big guy. But I figure once he's free, he'll leave.
Probably,
I
yeah.
highly doubt I'll see his head. Oh, this thing is huge. I'm really hoping that his head isn't stuck. I don't know if I'm willing to get that close. We're getting there, bud. We're getting there. Oh, God, that's tight. Oh, that's really tight. We're getting there, buddy. We're getting there. I think we're getting close to the head. Oh, yeah, let's not go up my shirt.
Just because he's a constrictor doesn't mean he won't bite.
He could bite, but it won't be venomous. May hurt like hell. Oh, he's getting close. Oh my God, there is so much of this stuff.
My idea of just grabbing him and pulling him would have been a bad idea.
Yeah, that would have ripped his scales right off. We're getting closer. He's got to be feeling some relief by now. Cut myself.
Oh.
He's got to know that we are trying to save him. He has to know.
Oh God, is he driving deeper into it?
Probably. But I'm trying to keep his back end clear. Ah, dude, you picked the wrong place. He is going to be pissed when he finally gets free. I'm just really hoping he recognizes that I'm helping. Oh, hi, buddy.
Oh,
I see your head.
Yeah.
I see your head. Hi, buddy. I'm really glad your head isn't stuck. Yeah, I think he knows. He definitely knows. Oh my God, he's huge. You are huge. You are a beautiful snake. I really hope there aren't any eggs in here.
I don't see any.
Okay, we're getting there, buddy. We're getting there. Crazy how we've gone from a city living where I've never seen a snake before to rescuing a snake. We're almost there, buddy. We're almost there. Did you get the text messages sent?
Yep. Still recording video. It's gonna be 10 minutes here, pretty quick.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, you're pissed. It's okay, bud. I'm almost done. I'm almost done, buddy. I'm almost done. I'm not trying to hurt you, buddy. I'm not trying to hurt you. Okay? I'm not trying to hurt you. okay, sweetheart. It's okay. Yeah, this is making me a little nervous. Do we have anything we could put over his head?
Not really.
He was looking at me with his mouth wide open. My feet are falling asleep. I really don't want to let him go and have him get more stuck.